ACTE,
Tech.
ACTE and the
Are you seeking career growth? Look no further than ACTE Technology, one of the premier institutions. We offer a range of IT courses tailored for working professionals, college graduates, and students. With experienced instructors, hands-on training, and industry-relevant programs, ACTE prepares you for success in today's competitive job market. Whether you are starting out or looking to advance, join us at ACTE and take your career to the next level.
Then I ended up in ACTE. This was a good thing for me to develop my skills and also my career.
I was looking for a career transition as a data analyst. So I studied a course from ACTE, which has very much helped me for getting the data analyst position in various companies. I'm holding currently 3 offers.
Tutors and all the people who were working there, they're really very well. So that was a good experience for me, and as well as this could be a good platform to reach out, like you kickstart your career.
This is Jaipriya. I did my UG in JPL SRR Engineering College in Computer Science background, and I also did my PG in Anna University College of Engineering, Indy, in Software Engineering background. So I want to build my career, so I choose to ACTE.
So I would really suggest you to attend the course in ACTE.
Join us at ACTE for comprehensive online and offline classes, along with expert career mentoring to guide you toward your goals. Visit our main branch in Velachery, Chennai, or check our website for more information. Our team is ready to support you on your path to success.